Hey guys. So it's been a minute since I've seen you guys, but I am coming to you guys today with a daily kitchen routine. And I'm not even gonna, okay, let me preface that. It's really not a daily kitchen routine. It's more of like a every other day cleaning routine. But this is basically me getting home. Literally, I just got out the car, just walked in from the garage, put my stuff down, looked at the kitchen and was like, ugh, I should probably get to that today. So that's what I'm about to do. And I figured you guys could just go ahead and join me on that ride, you know, like just see me clean. But another fun thing that I have in this video is Kirklands. So I'm partnering with Kirklands again. Love Kirklands. You guys know I've mentioned that many times on my channel. But I am coming to you guys today. There's a harvest collection for all the fall lovers out there. So I'll be sharing with you guys just some things that I added to my kitchen from the Kirkland's harvest collection, and then I'll have some links down below so that you guys can check out the collection and some pretty awesome coupons as well. These coupons are not specific to me or anything like that. They are store coupons that you can find on their website as well, but figured I would just loop them down below because they always have 25% off, 30% off of something. So yeah. But if you're interested in just seeing how I clean the kitchen during the week after a long day of work every other day, keep on watching. So in other news, I am pregnant. I'm in my 3rd trimester, so I'm between 6 and 7 months right now. So please bear with me and don't come for me if this cleaning routine is a teensy bit light. Okay?
So if you've watched any of my videos in the past with me cleaning the kitchen, I am a dirty dishes organizer. So I pull everything out of the sink, clean the sink, organize the dishes, and then start to make water. So yeah, it's a whole process. But what I'm doing here is I'm basically just gonna hand wash everything and then put it in the dishwasher to be cleaned. So this is it's an excessive amount of dishes this go around because I hadn't washed dishes in a couple of days, me or my husband. So yeah, it's a little embarrassing, but don't judge. We all have those weeks, right? We have a lot going on. are the two items that I got from Kirkland's. So this first one is actually a tray. So it's a crafted metal white tray with black handles, and it has pumpkins and leaves on it. So it's super cute, and it says thankful. So I thought it was really cute to put in the kitchen. So you'll see what I do with it in just a second. The second thing I got here is actually a mum tray floral arrangement. So it's super cute. It just has 3 glass vases with the mums on it. And as you can see, it is pretty sturdy. So you don't have to worry about any of them falling off because they are secured with screws at the bottom, which is super awesome. So as I was just rearranging some things in the kitchen, I decided to put my little coffee station, my little coffee and tea station on the thankful tray. I thought that it would be really cute, just kind of tucked away right there. And that tray is super thin, so it kind of fits anywhere in the kitchen, which is nice. And then I was still torn kind of where I was gonna move around a few things in this corner. It's still a work in progress, but I went ahead and put the flowers over there for now. So these flowers are so pretty, like they're super fall, and the color doesn't even come across as much as it does in person. So definitely a good add to the kitchen. And then here's a better look at the tray. So the tray can definitely be used for anything. So if you guys sign up for, you know, anything with Kirkland's, they'll start to send you guys coupons, which is really nice. And they come in these little pamphlets, I guess, brochures with all of the new fun stuff. So you can see there's the thankful tray. There's also some coupons in there and just some kind of design inspiration, which is really nice too. So it gets you inspired for the season. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.